yourself thinking things like, I'm such a failure, I always mess things up, I will never be good enough, that voice, it's not the truth. It's your inner critic, and if you let it run your mind, it will run your entire life. So in this video, I will show you how to identify, challenge and transform negative self-talk so your inner voice becomes the source of strength, not self-sabotage. So in the first section, let's understand why we have negative self-talk. Negative self-talk often comes from childhood conditioning, past criticism, trauma or unrealistic expectations. At some point, you internalize that voice and now it repeats itself like a background noise. But here's the truth. That voice isn't you, it's a learned pattern, and that patterns can be unlearned. So before you can change the script, you need to hear it very clearly. So in the section 2, I'll tell you the 3 types of negative self-talk. These are the 3 common types of self-talk you need to recognize. So the first one, critic, the critic talk. It says things like, you're not good enough. It attacks your identity itself. Second one, the pessimist. It looks like, what's the point? Nothing will work anyway. So it keeps you stuck in the fear of trying itself. And the third, the perfectionist. It says like, if it's not perfect, it's worthless. It actually causes burnout and chronic self-doubt. So the first step is to stopping self-talk is awareness. You can't silence what you won't face. So in the section 3, let's understand the 5 steps to stop negative self-talk. Now let's talk about how you stop it, not by ignoring it, but by replacing it with something stronger and more truthful. First, catch it in the real time. Practice catching the thought as it happens. Ask yourself, would I say this to my child or best friend? If not, it doesn't belong in your mind. Second, name that voice. Give your inner critic a name. Oh, there's that worry. And again, creating space helps you detach from the thought emotionally. Third, reframe the thought. Use this 3-part formula. Original, I'm so behind in life. The truth, everyone moves at their own pace. How do you reframe it? I'm still growing and that is enough. It's not about faking positivity, it's about finding neutral truth. So fourth one, write down a new script. Journal or voice record 3 positive truths to replace common negative self-beliefs. For example, I make mistakes and I'm still worthy. I'm learning, not failing. Review them daily, repetition builds rewiring. Fifth one, practice self-compassion. Say it loud. It's okay to feel this way. I'm doing the best I can do today. Self-compassion is the antidote to inner criticism. Don't just think, say it aloud. So in the 4th section, let's talk about the affirmations that actually work. Here are the 5 powerful affirmations to start resetting your self-talk. Repeat them daily. I am enough just as I am. My mistakes do not define me. I speak to myself with love. I release the need to be perfect. I am learning and evolving every day. Don't wait until you feel it to say it. Say it until you believe it. Your self-talk becomes your self-worth. When you change your voice in your head, you change the way you walk into every room, every challenge and every relationship. So now tell me, which of these strategies will you start to work with today? Comment in the below section and share your favorite affirmation. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it to quiet their inner critic. You're not your thoughts, you are the one listening and now you get to speak back. See you in the next videos.